Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the phone number, act now. First, verify the exact format with country code because Google matches formatting. Next, open Google Account Recovery or Find My Account and enter the phone number when prompted. This starts a controlled search for accounts linked to that number. Make sure your device has internet access, and if you're already signed into a Google account, keep that session active. It speeds validation. Once done, note any partial account hints Google provides. Now dig deeper. Use Google Contacts or People Search if you've synced other accounts. Numbers saved there often reveal associated email names. If Google's recovery shows hints, run the Forgot Mail flow. Enter the number and accept SMS or voice verification to receive account identifier hints. You can also check reverse lookup in legitimate contact apps or your phone's dialer history for labels. Make sure you proceed only for accounts you own or are authorized to access, and document each step. Finish by signing into the Gmail address you uncovered. If two-step verification blocks you, use recovery codes, SMS, or the backup email to regain access. Once in, immediately update recovery options, add an alternate phone and backup email, and enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. If Google shows no associated account, stop and recheck the number formatting and country code. Waiting 24 to 48 hours can help with propagation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.